Hi, Ryan. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What is that?
What is it?
It's Mommy's.
Where does it go?
It's Mommy's dog. Keith.
Why did you take them off?
What?
No, 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 no.
No.
Why'd you do that?
See that?
Haha. Too bad. The pad stuck to your head. Ryan, look.
Keith.
Why'd you do that?
See it? Look.
Say bye.
Bye.